alert level to full alert status sa lahat, sa buong Pilipinas na. Lahat ng syudad ng Pilipinas ay pinabantayan natin.
Sir, and can you take us through the story? Kasi yung some witness accounts are talking about the person, in relation to the persons of interest, yung kung paano nila ginawa. They pretended to get a massage dun sa area. Ganun ba yung sagiwan ng bag doon? Do you already have a clearer idea on how it happened?
Meron, pero din-develop pa namin. We cannot just be giving you out all the details that we have gathered dahil ongoing pa yung ating follow-up operations. So, mamaya na.
Mr. Jeff Canoy? Bea Kupin of Rappler.
Okay.
Sir, can you consider this as also drug-related, narcotics?
Right now,
Yes.
hindi pa talaga namin ma-establish na gusto, ma-prove. Pinakamalapit ito sa yung problema doon sa Sulu. Yan ang pinakamalapit. Next maybe is drugs. Dahil pwede naman bayaran ng mga drug lords yung mga, di ba? Pwede naman. Anything ka namin.
Ano natin, turing natin dito terror attack?
Yeah. Not yet narco-terrorism, ha?
Terror
Not
attack
yet,
lang.
terror lang.
General, ilang pong mga witnesses yung hawak po ng PNP ngayon?
We have 8 witnesses pero hindi namin hawak na we are keeping their identities confidential for their security. As much as possible, ayaw muna namin expose sila.
Pero sino-sino po sila, sir, mga bingkong yung mga masahista?
As I have said, that is part of a tactical information that we do not want to divulge for their security. No? Thank you.
Last question.
Sir, sabi niyo po, babawasan na po yung focus natin sa drugs. So, paano po sila may sistema nito ng police?
No, posible mababawasan nga dahil nga concerned tayo sa security ng ating syudad, sa lahat ng mga syudad, so pwedeng mababawasan. But I don't intend to reduce our efforts sa ating war on drugs. We will have to continue the speed. We have to continue the momentum. We have to continue the rate that we are going.
Medyo palakid ba to or harang ba to dun sa 6 months na binigay ni Pangulong Duterte para dun sa bago yung dapat sa droga, ganyan, medyo hindrance ba siya or paano natin makakamit yung 6 months?
Honestly, this has a disruptive effect on our campaign. Madi-disrupt talaga pansamantala. But as I have said, pipilitin namin hindi kami madi-disrupt. Continue pa rin yung laban, yung gira sa droga.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Salamat, ha?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Mamaya, mag-meeting na kami. Pahinga muna kayo sa hotel nyo. Pahinga muna kayo.
Sige, lang po. Mag-invite po na tayo para
Oo, may meeting kami.
Hindi, pero yung ikot, sir, sa mga...
Oo, mamaya. Tawagan na nyo, hindi kami pupusapan. Saan ka naman dito na ito? Hindi ba sabi ko
Oh, may settle pa na iwan. Ano naman, tuloy ko si... Meron? Ipadali pa?